Telephone solicitations can play a large role in a realtor's business. Whether it's calling someone who is referred to you or soliciting a list of homeowners by cold calling, realtors must be mindful of all appropriate do not call rules. I'm Nancy Allen, your 2019 Bay East president, and today I'm going to share a few things you need to keep in mind when cold calling. In 2003, the federal government created a national do not call registry in response to consumers strongly objecting to uninvited telemarketing calls. The Do Not Call registry gives consumers the opportunity to decide if they even want to receive telephone solicitations. You may have heard that realtors are exempt from do not call rules. However, this is not the case. As business professionals and salespeople, all realtors must comply with the rules associated with the Do Not Call registry. Some calls are exempt from the Do Not Call registry, including calls you would make if you have written permission to call, if you've established a business relationship within the last 18 months, you have a personal relationship, or if you represent a tax-exempt nonprofit organization. However, realtors cannot call consumers with phone numbers that have been registered at donotcall.gov to advertise their services. If you plan on calling consumers in the United States, you are required to register and download the phone numbers from donotcall.gov every 31 days to ensure you do not call registered phone numbers. If a company violates the do not call rules, consumers can report the call to the Federal Trade Commission, which can result in you receiving some hefty civil penalties. In order to make sure we are following the rules, the California Association of Realtors has created an extensive Q&A on this subject, and it's worth reading. The link will be included at the end of this video, and I urge you to check it out. It will help you understand who you can call and under what circumstances. Hope this information helps, and thank you for watching this week's Buzz.